Imagine a city brimming with history, culture, and Mediterranean charm. Welcome to Valletta, the capital city of Malta. An island nation tucked away in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Malta is a gem waiting to be discovered. And at its heart lies Valletta, a city that carries the whispers of the past within its ancient walls. In Valletta, you'll find the echoes of a rich history that dates back to the Knights of St. John. These noble knights, also known as the Hospitallers, established Valletta in the 16th century. Their legacy remains etched in the city's architecture, from the grandeur of St. John's Co-Cathedral to the imposing Fort St. Elmo. The city's history is not just a tale of knights and fortresses, it's a tapestry woven with threads from different eras, from the Romans to the British, each leaving their unique imprint. Valletta's historical significance is such that it's recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its cultural richness. But Valletta is not just a city frozen in time, it's a vibrant capital, buzzing with life and activity that beautifully blends the old and the new. It's a city where narrow cobblestone streets lead to bustling markets, where ancient fortifications overlook modern yachts sailing in the clear blue waters of the Grand Harbour. Docking in Valletta, you're greeted by a well-equipped cruise port, a gateway to Mediterranean splendor. The port serves as more than just a docking point, it's a hub of activity, brimming with amenities that cater to your every need. From the moment you step off your ship, you find yourself in the heart of an array of facilities. Restaurants offering a taste of Malta's rich cuisine, shops brimming with unique souvenirs, and a tourist information center staffed with friendly locals ready to guide your adventure. Whether you're looking for a quick bite, a memento of your journey, or insider tips on the best spots to visit, you'll find it all here. And let's not forget about transport options. Taxis, local buses, and even horse-drawn carriages await to whisk you away to the city's picturesque locales. With these amenities at your fingertips, you're set for an unforgettable day in Valletta. Valletta is a treasure trove of historical wonders and spellbinding views. Here are the top 5 places you simply cannot miss. First on our list is the Grand St. John's Co-Cathedral. This isn't your average cathedral. Inside you'll find an explosion of Baroque art, golden embellishments, and the famous Caravaggio's masterpiece, The Beheading of St. John. An insider tip: remember to look up and marvel at the intricately painted ceilings, each telling a unique story. Next, immerse yourself in history at the Grand Master's Palace. Once the residence of the Grand Master of the Knights of St. John, today it houses the President's office. Here you can witness the opulence of the staterooms and the impressive armory collection. To avoid the crowds, consider visiting early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Thirdly, step back in time with a visit to Fort St. Elmo. This star-shaped fortress played a significant role during the Great Siege of 1565. It also hosts the National War Museum, housing artifacts from prehistoric times to the present. A travel tip here is to plan your visit on a Sunday when the fort stages reenactments of historical events. For a breath of fresh air, head to the Upper Baraka Gardens. Perched on Valletta's highest point, these public gardens offer an unrivaled panorama of the Grand Harbour and the 3 cities. While there, don't miss the saluting battery at noon or 4 in the afternoon, when the historical cannons are fired. Finally, round off your day with a visit to the Lascaris War Rooms. This labyrinth of underground tunnels and chambers served as the British headquarters during the Second World War. Here, you can learn about Malta's pivotal role in the war and the secret operations orchestrated from these rooms. For a seamless experience, we recommend booking a guided tour. These 5 gems offer a taste of Valletta's unique allure, but the city has much more to offer. Stay tuned as we delve into local customs, events, and cuisine. And remember, the adventure is just beginning. Immerse yourself further in the local culture by understanding Valletta's customs, participating in its events, and tasting its cuisine. In Malta, you'll find a blend of customs that reflect its rich history and diverse cultural influences. One such tradition is the Festa, a religious celebration held in honor of the patron saint of each village. In Valletta, the Festa of St. Dominic is a colorful extravaganza marked by processions, fireworks, and music. If your cruise schedule aligns, it's a spectacle not to be missed. Another fascinating custom is the centuries-old Sunday fish market at Marsaxlokk. While it's a short drive from Valletta, it's worth the detour to experience the vibrancy of Maltese life, where you can buy the freshest catch of the day, or simply enjoy the lively atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the events. Valletta is a city that loves to celebrate, and its calendar is packed with events throughout the year. The most notable is the annual Valletta International Baroque Festival in January, which sees the city's historic venues come alive with performances from world-class musicians. In summer, the Malta Jazz Festival takes over the city's open-air spaces, attracting jazz enthusiasts from around the globe. And of course, we can't forget about the cuisine. Maltese food is a delectable fusion of Mediterranean flavors, with a particular emphasis on fresh local ingredients. You simply must try pastizi, a flaky pastry filled with ricotta or mushy peas. For a hearty meal, go for the stoffa talfanek, a slow-cooked rabbit stew, often considered Malta's national dish. And for a sweet finish, indulge in imkare, date-filled pastries that are a local favorite. Maltese wines, produced from indigenous grape varieties, are also gaining international recognition. So don't miss the chance to sample some at a local wine bar or during the annual Delicata Classic Wine Festival in August. Indulging in local traditions and flavors truly enriches your Valletta experience. So go ahead, embrace the customs, partake in the events, and savor the cuisine. After all, travel is about immersing yourself in the culture and creating unforgettable memories. Want to explore Valletta like a local? Consider booking a tour with an experienced local guide. You might be wondering, why book a local tour? Well, local guides offer unique insights and experiences that you won't find in the regular cruise ship tours. They know the city like the back of their hand. They can show you hidden gems, off-the-beaten-path spots, and reveal stories and histories that only locals know. Especially for cruise ship passengers, local tours can provide a more personalized and enriching experience. You're not just following a crowd, you're discovering Valletta in a more intimate and immersive way. Moreover, local tours often cost less than cruise ship excursions. So you're not only gaining a better experience, but you're also saving money. It's a win-win. So are you ready to dive into the real Valletta experience? Check the description below for links to book local tours and save money. Our journey through Valletta is coming to a close, but your adventure is just beginning. We've showcased the majesty of Malta's capital, from its rich history to the captivating places to visit. We've delved into the local customs, events, and tantalizing cuisine that make Valletta a unique destination. And we've highlighted how local tours and guides can enrich your trip beyond the standard cruise ship offerings. If you've enjoyed this voyage of discovery, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you more insightful travel guides. And remember, the journey doesn't stop here. In the description below, you'll find links to book local tours, additional travel tips, and some of our favorite travel guides. Also, don't forget to explore other amazing travel guides offered by Travel Day Trip Ideas. Just click on one of the links on the screen. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Valletta. We can't wait to see you on your next travel adventure.